To set music as ringtone on the Redmi Note 14s, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you will have to scroll down and go for the sound and vibration, and as you are there, go for the ringtone. And you are being forwarded into this themes application, but as you want to select music as ringtone, you would like to go for choose local ringtone. Let's go in there, and from here select either audio files or music. I will go for the audio files, and here you will have your music files that you have installed, downloaded on your phone. Simply select any of these and press OK. And now this song is now like in this ringtones. You can now set this song as the ringtone simply by pressing apply button, now selecting ringtone, and as you can see it has been applied successfully as a ringtone. Let's go back, and you'll also see this one right here in this sound and vibration settings, and that's how you can do this.